Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you have a beautiful day. World pumped, soul pumped. Bitcoin and Ethereum starting to fade a little bit, which is not good. All that good news that came out, the potential for Bitcoin strategic reserve, which Donald Trump hasn't announced. That's why everyone's a little bit skittish. He hasn't really announced anything for Bitcoin, but he did release his own cryptocurrency. So people know that crypto is open in America. However, that's not really having an effect on the price. We're going to jump in the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum and all that good news that came out. Michael Saylor bought 1 billion Bitcoin, etc. at 101,000. What that's saying is that Bitcoin is quite toppy because all this good news and it didn't move much. It shot up to 110, then pulled back to 101. So we need to see more strength coming to Bitcoin. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals and my account is now 100,000 like Bitcoin, 103,600. Bitcoin pulling back right now. I was sitting at 104,000, slowly fading from 107. We got a bounce from 99. My account 1.156. My Ethereum trade down a little bit, pulling back on Ethereum. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin and Ethereum. World was up 8%, Sol a little bit, and now the market has reset. So we jump into Bitcoin, 103,600, slowly fading down, which is not good to see. On the weekly charts, bull flag and third to fourth wave finished. Now fourth to fifth final impulse wave, which is good news. Stochastic and volume still strong on the weekly. On the daily, we have volume quite strong but dropping off after this Donald Trump coming into power. We had a big volume spike and then a little bit fade. Stochastic still pushing up. Crypto Guru bot fired a buy a few days ago. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a buy today, which is good to see. Let's go into so on the daily, do I see any major pattern here? Cup and handle a little bit. Cup and handle is forming, which is a bullish pattern on Bitcoin. Let's go closer into the 4-hourly. In the 4-hourly, we have bullish pennant, pole and then pennant, which is symmetrical triangle forming. Usually goes with the trend, but as I said yesterday, we could pull back that trade. The breakout trade failed. Yesterday I set two trades, one for a more secure trade and one for a breakout trade on the potential for this bull flag, but Bitcoin failed the bull flag. It didn't break out of that smaller pattern. So it hit stop loss on that trade. It's coming close to activating this trade, 101,700, stop loss 101,145. And this is a symmetrical triangle, build pressure, and break out. Following the trend, the target would be 117,000. But you can see Bitcoin is a little bit fading off, and so is the volume, which is not too good to see. We had a big volume spike on Donald Trump election, but then since then, it's just been slowly fading. And look at that weird selling pressure. It's like from 105 down to 103,600. But the bigger patterns on the 4-hourly is still bullish pennant and cup and handle, bullish pattern. So I'd still be longing on Bitcoin, 101,732 open, 145 stop loss, and take profit at the target of 129, risk towards 17 times, risking 1,500 to make 28,000. 10x leverage would be 280,000. This is the trade that I would take on Bitcoin on a little bit of a pullback to 101. Let's go into Ethereum. 3242. Ethereum having a bigger pullback. On the daily charts, we came down to a low of 2,900. Same pattern on Ethereum. Descending triangle. Similar pattern. Builds pressure. Could pull back to 2.8 and then get a breakout. Volume is strong on Ethereum. Unlike Bitcoin, the volume is not fading on Ethereum. It's getting bigger and bigger, which is good to see. Also, we have a very big descending triangle on the daily. Descending triangle. So bullish on Ethereum. It's about to activate the trade I set yesterday at 3,150. I'd bring it to 3,100. Stop loss 2,975. Take profit 4,400. And the bull market target 7,500. 33 risk to reward ratio. Risking 131 to make 4,300. 10x leverage would be 43,000. That's the trade I would take on Ethereum. So I'd stay in both my trades right now. But again, we can get a pullback to 2,900, which is quite amazing. World pumped a lot yesterday, which is beautiful. I bought, if you've been following my videos, I was buying World. We had a strong pump and then a little bit of a pullback with this Bitcoin drop. But you can see where I was buying World, which was really good buys at 180, and then we pumped to $2.20 when Sam Altman went on TV with. But what's happening? Why are we not pumping like crazy? It must mean that a lot of the liquidity is actually dry in the like everyone's already in the markets. Not much free cash, seems like. Bitcoin, Ethereum, World look like they're about to break out. That was my video yesterday. Someone said not a chance. I would be surprised. We have still strong volume, massive buy volume on Doge, and then it faded away. Look at that. It spiked to $3.37 and then pulled back. Bitwise files Dogecoin ETF. His accent doesn't sound Australian. What is the net worth of James? Says 1.2 crypto. What else? You guys can watch me trade, learn from me. I don't want to give too much private information, everyone, but you can just learn from my videos on here and try to help each other learn together. Take the courses. If you haven't taken the courses, you're just gambling. So make sure join them in the Telegram. 247 of you online. Over on X, I hit 100,000 followers last night, which is amazing. 100,200, which is super good. Thank you, everyone. This was me in 2018. Bitcoin, money you can control yourself without having a corrupt bank or government involved. It's decentralized, not owned by a singular country or government. 21 million of them will only ever exist, unlike governments printing unlimited money, dropping the value. This was in 2018. Bitcoin, Ethereum, World look like they're about to break out, which they do look like, but a little bit of a fade. So that failed breakout and a lot of good news, and we're not getting a pump, which is not so amazing. World pumped a lot yesterday. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink says he's a big believer in Bitcoin and predicts it could rise to 700,000. World was up a lot yesterday, 8,000 people. I added more into my Tesla position last night. I've got 50% more to add back in. That's my updates in the market, everyone. All the links are down below. Weex is giving a competition away. Win a Mercedes GLA. There's a trading competition till the 27th of January. So a few more days and $150,000 in prizes. All the links are down below. Signing up to Bybit, signing up to Weex, $200 sign up bonus. Bitunix 5,500 and jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And right now, I want to look at the total market cap of all crypto to see if we're getting more information. Right now, it seems like the market is waiting for something, like some big news, good news came out, but it looks like it's waiting on the Bitcoin ETF. However, it should be extremely bullish based on the fact that America is now open to crypto. So we should see some long-term amazing things. Clear bull flag on the daily candles. You see, bull flag? Pole and flag forming. Bull flag. Do we get a breakout is the question. The target of this bull flag would be the base of this pole. Target of the bull flag would take us. This is to the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies. So all crypto target would take us to 4.9 trillion. And volume was massive. Look at that volume the last few days. Volume predicts price. And cup and handle as well. So I'm quite bullish actually. Even though it doesn't look so good, it's very good news what's happening to crypto. That's my updates in the market. Everyone hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. Thank you everyone for the 100k followers. Also, I'm going to pick one more. There's a competition. Actually, I won't pick it now. I'll pick it in tonight's video. There's a competition going on right now. You can win $100. I'll tag it in my post. Going to pick 3 winners for $100 each. I'm giving $100. Comment on the quoted post below this post. Comment on it, tag 3 of your friends, follow everyone on the list. We'll choose winners in my videos. I chose a winner yesterday, and I'm going to choose... I chose a winner yesterday, and I'm going to choose more of them. Here I picked one winner, and I'm going to pick more of them. So make sure you go onto that, and I'll pick another winner today and tomorrow. So go onto that tweet and do that competition. I'll tag it in the post. That's my updates in the market, everyone. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.